dual zone heating, and you know what, it has intelligent control on it, and you can see it's a neck and back, so it's got a remote control to it. And actually I've already had this thing out of the box here and used it, and I put it back in the box for the purpose of this video. But let me show you guys what you get. So open it up. It came packaged, but you know what, I took it out of the package. Here's everything that came with it. You see the box is empty. Inside of here, what I like about this, you get a little barrel charger or a cord for running like a cigarette lighter or something like that. That's interesting. A set of instructions. There's not much to this thing. Basically, you can see right here, you get a power adapter brick. It plugs in, this little barrel plug plugs in right there. This plugs into the wall. Okay, now that it's plugged in, let me just kind of like go over some things with you. Here's the remote. Turn the power on. Once you hold it down and turn the power on, check that out. Does that not look awesome with those lights in there? And what it is, you see how I've got the timer, 15 minutes, 25 minutes. It looks like 15 or 25 right there. Warming, I can go low and high or off. I'm gonna put it on high warming. Direction, now see how it will turn directions right there? The intensity, you got high and low. So let me set it over here in the chair. Turn it on. Now sit down, and then to turn it up, there's the intensities on high, warmings on high, timers on 15. It's hard to tell you guys exactly how something kind of feels, but what it's doing, I feel the rotation in the center, like on each side, so my spine's right down the middle, and I feel the rotation right there going up. So it's almost like mimicking someone rubbing like that right there a lot of continuous times, but they're very like stout. One's higher than the other one, so that's a high one and that's a low one. Really, it feels the same both left and right. That's the lower back. This thing also does the neck too. Okay, doing the neck now. Oh yeah, that feels great. So where I'm feeling it is right on the back of the shoulders, moving down and up the sides of the neck. And it's on the heating. You can see right there, I got it on the heating. Yeah, everybody, this thing works really good on the neck and back. I think it's one of these things where you can mount it a lot of different ways, kind of like that or like that. I had it like that. It was on the shoulders. I put it like that. It's around the back of the neck. One thing that I wish it did, I wish it held this cord a little better. That's the only thing. This keeps coming undone. But once I think you get it set where you want it, you don't have to mess with it anymore. I think it'll just stay wherever you need it because it does have this thing right here. This would be great for someone, oh, a little carrying handle, that's what that is. This would be great for someone that's got like an office chair and they just need to sit somewhere. And this is like my TV watching chair, and that's where I'm gonna have it. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Mountrax, massaging pillow. See you all in the next video.